So after finishing the channel settings, we were able to do the update for the name, Slack description. We could also do the Livewire upload for imaging. So in this section, we're going to focus on the video. So we have to prepare our database. We'll create a model for video plus migration. Also, we need to add one icon here for uploading the file. So we will able to do the upload. Plus also we need to prepare our project to make sure that it can run jobs as well doing Laravel. So this is the preparation for this work. So let's get started by doing, first of all, we are going to do the creating the model. We are going to doing the PHP artisan make model. We will call it video, and then we will create migration and controller with it. So after doing that, we will jump into the table, video table. We are going to create few fields here, so we'll be able to use the file upload. So the first thing we need to create is unsigned big integer, which basically it will be for our relationship between the channel and the video. So one channel can have many videos, it will be one to many. Also, we are going to create one string for title, and also we need to create one for text for description, and this will be nullable field. Then also we need to create one for, also will be type of string, will be UID. This will be not nullable, this required, will create while creating of the video. The other one will do the path. We might need the path also for the video. Initially it will be nullable. We will do required also a string for processing or processed file. After we doing the processing, we will require the name of the process file, and then we need also another one, which is will make sure that it is enum for feasibility, whether it is public or it is private and so on. Feasibility, and it has three values. One is public or private, then public and unlisted, similar to YouTube, unlisted. And default for that will create default value private. Also, we will need some boolean, table boolean values. One will be processed to make sure that this is processed or not. Default is false. I will require also for later for allow likes and allow comments. We might come back to this migration and recreate or add or remove some fields, but this is what I'm seeing right now we are going to use. And then we need another one for string as well as string. It will be processing percentage, and I think that's it. So for now, we need to create some database relationship. Foreign, which is channel ID. This is normal relationship, references ID on table or on. Basically, we don't specify table name, just channels, and then on delete cascade. So I think we are done with this migration. We can run the migration, PHP artisan migrate. If everything is okay, then the migration will be created. We can see it in the database as well. I have video here. So next step, I would like to go to the channel model and do the relationship. So we will have one relationship for videos, which is basically to retain this has many then video model class. So each channel has many videos, and the inverse will be going to the video model. And then let's go do the protected first. Protected for mass assignment, protected guarded equal empty. So everything's accepted here, and then we can create the relationship channel. In this case, we are going to retain this belongs to channel then class. So make sure that channel is there also. And also I would like to add one more. Okay, I think I removed one. I would like to add also, if we go to the channel, we need to add also one get route key name similar to this function. And this, and for the video, we'll make it with UID, not with slug. We didn't add slug for video, but you can do so if you want. So we are prepared now everything for relationship, and also we created the table. So the next step, I believe we need to prepare our database for queuing, to accept queuing. So if you go to the Laravel website for queues, if you search for queues, then we can go and check here creating of queues under database. There are many options, but we are going to use database. So we need to prepare our database by running the command php artisan queue table. So it will generate some 2 tables, I believe, for using the queues. And then php artisan migrate. If we go to the database and check, we'll notice there will be jobs and failed jobs added to our 2 tables added to our database. So I think this is what we need for this lesson. We will move ahead for the preparing also the upload form for the video in the next coming lessons.